Alright, y'all, another update video for the budget bill S10. We at Joe Buddy Racing. Got the number at the bottom of the screen. Make sure y'all call him. Some of y'all getting stuff done already. Y'all see he down there up under the truck working. We got it lifted. He putting the fuel cell in and all of that. And I'm gonna flip the camera around so y'all can see him running the new fuel line and all that. Alright, so what we got going on so far? Where you at in the process?
We're replacing the old metal 3/8 line with a -8 braided line, so we can get optimal amount of fuel flowing. After we get the braided line, and here we go. When the get the motor to the one shot. Get the motor to the fuel cell.
He running the line, y'all. He said after he get finished, he's gonna bolt it to the fuel cell. Fuel cell sitting up there in the bed. He gonna make the straps. He make a lot too, y'all. He fabricates a lot of stuff, so just to let y'all know. But he run the line. This is a, like I said, -8. I got everything from Summit. If you've been following the series, you know the video. We gotta change the starter. Oh, stall converter. Oh well, he already changed the starter. So, and you adjusted this. Oh, we ain't adjusted it. Yeah, we have. For y'all that don't know, we don't even know what the low gear feel like. So all the videos and playing around, y'all been seeing second gear, starting in second gear. So I don't even know what first gear feel like. This is how it look bolted to the transmission, y'all. When you got floor shifter, this the cable and stuff. You know, he can adjust it and it runs up in the car. This the stall converter. That's how little it is for people that don't know how it look when it's bolted up. And what else? Fuel pump up there, but yeah, he run the line, braided line, got from Summit. And gonna get it bolted up to the fuel cell. Fuel cell is, I can stick it up there.
You going there too?
Yeah, it's going there. That's all you need. Exactly what you need. That's my first time seeing that.
Probably call out that soda. Probably call out that soda.
Bolted up to the fuel
Make
cell.
sure it be everlasting.
And this is what we gotta take out. This the original gas tank, y'all. Gas tank actually easy to take out for people that ain't never did it. Most of them, I say most of them. I done took one out, one of my box Chevys and stuff before. But you know, you got the straps holding it on. You got a flow jack. You can usually drop it pretty quick. So, and there's weight. It's a lot of weight coming out. So the gas tank coming out. Fuel cell I got is aluminum. A lot of people get a plastic fuel cell. I caught such a great deal. I got aluminum, so that was a blessing. It's super light. So y'all know that's a 7.5. I'm just trying to think of people that ain't never saw this stuff. It's sitting on leaf springs. I got leaf spring suspension. So we're gonna be doing cow tracks on it. Some people take a leaf out and stuff. It's different things you can do to your truck, but hit the 7.5, y'all see a little bit of tubes. Let me give y'all a little tip too on how you can identify these. You see, you can look at the housing and you see these little points, they look like little V's and stuff. 7.5s, all 7.5s had it. The 8.5s, they had like it'll be more like an L shape like right here. The 8.5 rear end. So you can look at that too. Then they got 8.2s too. But putting the rear end out of Ford Explorer in here, 8.8, just for security. And whenever we upgrade the engine, we already have all this done. So Ford 8.8 rear end. It's gonna have to be cut down because it's not the right length. So one side gonna have to be cut. And shocks gonna be changed. I already got comp engineering shocks. for the front, thanks to Dan, my buddy Dan Bowler. I'm gonna put a clip of his car in now. But yeah, that's my buddy Dan. Yeah, he gave me shots and stuff, so that's where we at right now. Fuel cell running the line. And like I said, we gotta get this out. We gotta take the tank out. And it give you more clearance for running your pipes too. Cause see, you see how S10 made, if you running your exhaust, then the exhaust have to run on one side. Everything gotta run on one side. You can see that's still hanging up there. So I'm taking this out and we got the start on. We gotta adjust the linkage and we really about there. We gotta adjust the linkage, fix the radiator and put a piece of metal in the floor from where you can actually see my gauge is coming through the floor right there. But that's where it used to be a straight shift truck. So that's what that is. You gotta put a plate right there. But that's where we at right now. It's a cell, y'all. It's aluminum. It's a 15 gallon. And mine got a sender unit. So I be able to use that fuel gauge I bought. Y'all saw I bought that at Summit. It got a sending unit and stuff in it. So all these fuel cells don't come with sending units. But I'm gonna really drive the truck, so it got the foam in it too. So that's it. It's a RCI. It's a RCI cell. If you need the part number, I'll put it in the comments. If somebody asks, I'll get the part number for you. But good cell, it's super light. It way lighter than that gas tank. And that's where it's gonna sit. Cell right there. Battery. We got the battery right here in the back. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the battery box. I got that. And put a bed cover over the bed and stuff. So getting it all hooked up. I was just asking my uncle about what everything is called. Honestly, I don't know. This is my first fuel cell, y'all. Honestly, so you explain to everybody.
This right here, this line here is made for, like, say if a wreck occurs, you make this line come out below the tank, so if it flip upside down, the fuel, instead of fuel trying to get out of the cap, it won't be spraying over everything. It'll come back out of this line and get air. This is a return. It goes back to the fuel pump. Some fuel pump got a return that comes dead off the side of them and it goes back to the tank. This is what this inlet's for, the return off the fuel pump. And then back here, it's got two spouts out. Some people run two fuel pumps, one for a nitrogen system and one for their fuel system. But we're just gonna run one and we're gonna split it up front to run the nitrogen system. It's really simple. It's nothing, you know, to really say. It's just stuff you really need to have for safety reasons, really.
Right. All right, y'all. So he explained the fuel cell. Like I said, I learned something too, cause I really didn't know. I just know one of the lines was for going up to the pump and going into the pump and stuff. So y'all got fuel cell explanation. Only thing I know what it is this, y'all. That's my sending. That's my sending unit.
Gas hand work.
Yeah, that'll make the gas hand work. I know that. So yeah, that's explanation. So y'all know too. All right, what's going on with y'all, man? Back with another update. I know I ain't updated y'all in a minute on the truck, but y'all see where I'm at Summit. Had to come up here, having starter problems again. I got the truck at the house now, but the starter, man, I'm just finna go ahead and get a high torque starter and some more stuff. So we here at Summit. Finna go ahead and get some parts, get back, pop the starter on, and update y'all on everything else. So I'm gonna check back in. Yep. McDonough, Georgia, man. Y'all ain't never been here. Y'all need to come through. You ever in Georgia? Y'all need to come on through if y'all ain't never been. This was on the rotisserie today, and that's what's over there, other side. Wheel selection. Y'all got my cousin. We're gonna make him order a crate motor. We're gonna make him get a crate motor out of here. Yeah, this is the wheel wall. They got everything. We got some fan mounted kit. I'm gonna go ahead and change the radiator, man. I'm just going ahead and replace it. So, yep. Y'all ever in the area you get in something, man, y'all like it. I enjoy it. I stay here all day. Got helmets. I need to be getting one of these. I need to be getting a helmet. Safety first. Safety all the way first. So, finna go check out and check back in. Alright, y'all, I'm back finally from running around. Show y'all the pickup. In this box, we got the brackets for the fuel cell. Then we got, let's see. Got the cover. It's just a cover for the flow shifter, so it ain't just a shifter mounted in the floor. I am gonna make the truck clean, paint all of that, so I don't want it, you know, I don't want it tacky. So I got that. These are electric fan mounting zip ties. They made to mount electric fan to a radiator. I'm gonna go ahead and just buy the radiator again and put a new one in there. Just be done with it. And I got this bracket, this for the transmission to hook the cable up. We kind of rigged one up. We made one work B&M, but I'm gonna take that off. I want to get that took off, and we're gonna put this one on, put the right one on. Since I got a Hurst shifter, do stuff the right way. Then I got my mufflers. I wanted the Summit brand mufflers. I love the way MagnumFlow sound. I done got away from Flowmasters. I love the way the MagnumFlow sound. So originally I wanted the MagnumFlows. Then some of my buddies put me on game that the Summit brand mufflers actually a lot cheaper, but they sound the same. And I guess everybody else hip to it too, because the Summit brand mufflers on back order into January, and I just couldn't wait to January. So I got the MagnumFlows. I was cut a very good deal on these. Very good deal. So I went ahead and bought them. And I went ahead and got the starter. This is a Summit brand starter though. It's Summit brand starter too. It's a high torque starter. It'll crank engine up to 14-to-1. Compression come with shims and starter bolts, all of that good stuff. And I'm gonna take it out the box for y'all so y'all can see it. These starters are great, Hitachi style, straight bolt, straight across, small but powerful. So I got that, man. I'm just tired of dealing with starter problem. The truck is here. The truck is at my house. Sounds terrible though. The starter took a shit, so I was like, hey, forget it. This is a continuation. The last thing y'all saw was the fuel cell getting installed. The fuel cell is installed and operating, but I had to get those brackets so it can actually be mounted and bolted down and all that good stuff. So just little knick-knack stuff. This little stuff y'all see right here was like $400, something like that. $400. So it's damn. Come on now. Having that hard over time closing in. It was this little stuff right here sitting in this starter is $400 sitting right here. So stuff add up quick. Still trying to get the rims situated, y'all. Just getting the pull apart to get it, and you know, get somebody out there to help and all of that. So that's what's going on with the truck. I'm gonna throw this on tomorrow. I'm gonna throw the starter on tomorrow. I should have I should have recorded me taking the starter off so y'all could have saw that. But I wasn't thinking about it. I was frustrated. So I had to do that. But tomorrow I'm gonna record putting the starter on. That'll be a different video along with some other stuff. But I hope y'all enjoyed the update. I know it's short, but it's something to let y'all know what's going on. Stay tuned in. Appreciate everybody supporting. I'm out.
Said